Many people may not know. Except for cauliflower. Besides stir-frying, there's another really delicious way to cook it. Today I'll use these cabbages and I'd like to share a recipe for pickled vegetables from our rural elders. It's really delicious and crunchy. Tender and sweet. Salty and delicious. In spite of, it is used for mixing. It's great for mixing with porridge. Look how well this cabbage is growing, and the leaves. The slices are thick, so they have a meaty texture when you eat them. First, we remove the outer, old leaves. Then cut off the root and divide it into 4 parts. This makes it easier to clean. Okay, these old leaves that have been pulled off can be used to feed the chickens. Then we give It's very easy to wash after you've cleaned it and cut it open. Cut. After that, with the cut side down, the moisture inside can drain out. Then cut the stuffing into strips. The hard, tough parts must be removed. They're too tough to eat. We cut it into thicker strips. After slicing off a layer, we spread it out and then sprinkled a layer of salt on top. You can use a little more salt, otherwise, then the water output is insufficient and it is prone to fermentation. It's sour and sticky, so let's continue cutting it. Layer the cabbage and salt together to marinate. Try to sprinkle the salt as evenly as possible. After cutting everything up, sprinkle some more on top. Layer. Then cover it and marinate for a few hours. Our cabbage has been marinating overnight. Bye. Look, a lot of water has come out during pickling. Could you take the cabbage out again and squeeze out some more water? Discard the salt water in the smoke. Then wash it again. Wash off any excess salt so it won't taste too salty. Can. Multi-story washing. After cutting, we also squeeze out the water. Then spread it out to dry. You absolutely must not dry it in the sun, Only let it air dry. It should be about 60-70 dry, not too damp. Now that our cabbages are dried, we'll put them in a big basin. Look at these cabbages, they can't be completely dried, just a little damp is enough. Now let's start seasoning. Add some shredded ginger and chili powder as needed. Finally, drizzle with Sichuan peppercorn powder and brown sugar. Liquor. Point height. This liquor has two advantages. Firstly, it can kill bacteria, and secondly, it can make me. They taste better and are easier to preserve. After putting on gloves, it rubbed it repeatedly to extract the flavor. Knead it in completely. You should definitely knead it for a while here. It will taste even better that way. After kneading thoroughly, it should be placed into a clean jar. This jar must be made sure there is no oil or raw water. That way it won't break easily. Press it down layer by layer. Try to keep it inside when it's tight. Pickled cabbage prepared like this, without any air pockets, can be stored for a long time. Okay, you. Look at those two big baskets of cabbage, and in the end, this is all that's left after pickling. After filling the jar, we put the lid on. Then sprinkle a little salt along the edge. Add a little water to the jar. Then, place it in a cool, well-ventilated place to marinate and dry for a month before eating. Actually, whether you eat it directly or use it to stir-fry meat, it's very. Don't eat you. You can all give it a try, quality fragrance, and every day will taste like home.